This is example 5 and April 2010 paper it had appeared for 6 marks. Let us solve this. A steel flat 150 mm wide and 20 mm thick. So 150 mm wide and 20 mm thick. Okay, let me draw the axis. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. Is subjected to pull of, okay, I'm underlining this word, is subjected to a pull of P is 180 kilonewton, which is off the geometrical axis by 4 mm in the plane which bisects the thickness. Now thickness is here, off the plane means it is bisecting the thickness here and 4 mm away from y axis, geometrical axis. Okay, so from here it is 4 mm, so we know this value. Determine the maximum and minimum stresses. So F max is how much and F minimum is how much. This is asked to find. Now I have underlined this word pull. Pull means what? Pull means tension in the member. So this sign is minus sign. Okay. If it is said pull in the member, tie member or tension member, you have to adopt this negative sign for the load. Okay. Now let us solve this problem. First of all, what is F max or F minimum? It is axial stress plus bending stress, and this is axial stress minus bending stress. So let us calculate axial stress. Axial stress FA, okay, stress A is equal to load divided by area. So what is the load given? Minus 180. I am converting here to newtons by multiplying it 10 cube. Okay, area is the area of the section 150 into 20, so we get this answer minus 60 Newton per millimeter square. Okay, second one, bending stress. Bending stress is FP, that is M by Z. So what is M? It is P into E and Z is I by Y. So let us calculate M first. P into E is minus 180 10 cube, right, into 4 mm, that is E is the eccentricity given to us, so 4 mm. So with this, when we multiply this, we get the answer. Okay, we will calculate it. Okay, I'll calculate Z value here. Then Z is I by Y. Now which I by Y or IXX? Here this load is here, load P is here, it is about y axis, so we have to calculate I by Y. So what is I by Y? I by Y is equal to dB cube by 12, parallel to this, so cube, so 20 into 150 cube by 12, dB cube by 12, which is equal to 5625000. Okay, 5625000 millimeter raised to 4. Let me check. Y is equal to 150 divided by 2. Okay, so this is 75 mm, right? So what is Z? Z is this value divided by this. Okay, 5625123 divided by 75, which is equal to 75 millimeter cube. Now let us substitute and get FP, that is bending stress. So bending stress we get minus 180 10 cube into 4 divided by Z value, which is equal to minus 9.6 Newton per millimeter square. Now this is easy. Further it is very easy, that is F max FA plus FB. So along with the signs, minus 60 plus minus 9.6 is minus 69.6 Newton per millimeter square, and F minimum is equal to FA minus FB, which is minus 60 minus of minus 9.6, which is equal to minus 50.4 Newton per millimeter square. This completes the problem. Let us plot the diagram. Now both are tension, both the values are in tension, so this is going to be like this, minus tension. Let me put the values here, 69.6. okay, and this is all like this. This is stress intensity, okay, or stress distribution diagram. That completes the problem.